Okay, Taylor has to push those in really deep. And then we'll trim them. Well, she will. She's taller than me.
Perfect.
Okay, good. Hey everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. I am showing you, with the help of Taylor and Stefan, how to make tomato or cucumber cages with just old chicken wire and some bamboo. Stefan and Taylor got some bamboo for me. You take 3 to make a triangle, and let me show you what I did for the cross beams. All you have to do is drill a hole. Sometimes tricky. Ooh, this one's all cracked. You hold it up to the same area. Drill a hole here. Oh. Am I on it, Stefan?
Nope. Yes.
Then drill it in gently. Don't crack it like I did. And then you put your other beam here. Pre-drill, put the next. And then all you do is trim it an inch or 2. Then trim the top. I do 9 foot roughly. Anybody that's watched the video of tomatoes, sorry, you could see how tall they actually grow since they're perennial. Cut the chicken wire to go around each one, and I put it in. Now I do this, 1, to protect it, 2, it'll climb around it, but I'm putting amaranth so it flows over it. And all you do is wrap a string around. Now when you tie tomatoes, don't tie them tight. Let their stems grow. Stefan, you ready? Right here. There you go. And that's it on tomatoes and their cages. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do companion planting. And I'm also going to do experiment growing tomatoes with this cage. Hey. Not the cage, with the tree after Stefan trims it. Have a great day.
Please subscribe and like the video.
Bye.